want to shine like a sun, first burn like a sun. Small aim is a crime, have great aim. There are a number of women who have brought about immense change in society. Teaching is a very noble profession that shapes the character, caliber and future of an individual. If the people remember me as a good teacher, that will be the biggest honor for me. Great dreams of great dreamers are always transcended. The bird is powered by its own life and by its motivation. My view is that at a younger age, your optimism is more and you have more imagination, etc. You have less bias. Nations consist of people, and with their effort, a nation can accomplish all it could ever want. To succeed in your mission, you must have single-minded devotion to your goal. Look at the sky. We are not alone. The whole universe is friendly to us and conspires only to give the best to those who dream and work. For success of any mission, it is necessary to have creative leadership. Creative leadership is vital for government, non-governmental organizations as well as for industries. We should not give up and we should not allow the problem to defeat us. One of the very important characteristics of a student is to question. Let the students ask questions. I was a disadvantaged child from a non-educated family, yet I had the advantage of being in the company of great teachers. If we are not free, no one will respect us. God is everywhere. Let us sacrifice our today so that our children can have a better tomorrow. To become unique, the challenge is to fight the hardest battle which anyone can imagine until you reach your destination. Life is a difficult game. You can win it only by retaining your birthright to be a person. For me, there is no such thing as a negative experience. Never stop fighting until you arrive at your destined place. That is the unique you. Have an aim in life, continuously acquire knowledge, work hard and have perseverance to realize the great life. Do we not realize that self-respect comes with self-reliance? Man needs his difficulties because they are necessary to enjoy success. It's when children are 15, 16 or 17 that they decide whether they want to be a doctor, an engineer, a politician or go to the Mars or Moon. That is the time they start having a dream, and that's the time you can work on them. You can help them shape their dreams. We must think and act like a nation of 1 billion people and not like that of 1 million people. Dream, dream, dream. My hair grows and grows. You cannot stop it. That fellow grows. It grows wild. Science is a beautiful gift to humanity. We should not distort it. Wherever I go, as long as I get a hot vegetable dish, I am okay. If I am in Gujarat, I have Gujarati food. If it's Shillong, it's Northeastern. No religion has mandated killing others as a requirement for its sustenance or promotion.